Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking in simple shapes to establish form and proportions. This is crucial because cute appeal comes from clear, readable silhouettes. Draw a large circle for the head, smaller rounded body, and mark limb joints lightly. Once done, refine the eye line and center axis so facial features stay balanced. Make sure to keep lines loose and erase heavy overlaps. These early decisions make later detailing faster and preserve the soft, rounded look that defines cuteness. Now refine the sketch by turning blocks into believable anatomy while keeping simplicity. You want readable shapes, not realism. Draw eyes lower on the face and larger to increase appeal. Once placed, test variations for emotion. Smooth the body contours into soft curves and shorten limbs to maintain a compact silhouette. Also, simplify clothing and accessories into single shapes so they read small. This keeps the cuteness intact and prevents visual noise from stealing attention. Finish by cleaning lines and adding tiny details that sell the design. Subtle line weight changes, a single highlight in each eye, and soft shadow under the chin. When coloring, choose pastel or limited palettes and keep gradients gentle to preserve the cute aesthetic. If something looks off, step back, squint, or reduce complexity. Often scaling the head slightly larger or widening the eyes cures imbalance. Remember, small, deliberate tweaks beat heavy rework, and practice these fixes to speed improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.